This object is going to be my first example of what we see when we talk about light. So this is a large bottle of glue. Yes, I have a very large bottle of glue. The thing that I like about using the bottle of glue as an example is that the bottle of glue is white. Now, I can see that in this piece here, that is where the light directly hits the object. I can also see that there's an object above this bottle of glue that is casting a shadow on it. If I move my phone up, you'll see that I have a closed umbrella over here that is blocking part of the light. And of course I've got some trees and plants out here too. With this, if I move the phone around, you'll see that when I get over to the side where the light is coming in more directly, the bottle of glue is brighter. When I move the phone over to the side where the bottle of glue is not in direct light, it gets a little bit darker. So when things are angled towards the light, their color intensifies. As they move away from the light, it diminishes. The other thing that I like about this bottle of glue is that it's actually got 3 different types of light reflection going on. Here on the top, it's diffusely reflecting light, which means that light is being reflected evenly off the surface. Here in the body, it is slightly translucent, which means that some photons are passing through and others are bouncing off. And then down here where the glue is, it becomes more opaque, but it's still inside the translucent object. So those are 3 very different types of light reflection. Now, when we talk about the sun is our principal source of light. As its photons break down, they break down evenly into the visible spectrum, which you know as Roy G. Biv. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. When all of those colors are evenly reflected across an object's surface, they reflect as white. The different colors, like this kind of washed out red on my outside rug here, that is reflecting red photons and absorbing all the other colors. This leaf over here is reflecting green photons, probably some yellow ones, maybe a little bit of red. The red photons are the longest and slowest photons. As we move over into the blue and violet, those photons tend to be shorter and faster. Fun thing, the further away objects are, the bluer they appear to be, because those are the photons that get to our eyes first. So blue is short and fast, red is slow and long.